Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit that subscribe button. And now let us discuss the gold analysis for today. So, when first of all, let us discuss the yesterday's analysis. When we were discussing the gold analysis, the market was trending over here, and we marked this area as an area of short-term support, and this area as an area of short-term resistance. The market mostly remained sideways and tested our support, but once market broke below our support area, then market could not even retest almost over here, and then market continued its selling pressure. So now let me have a look at how we could have traded. So for example, if we would have entered a buy entry over here, so our take profit will be over here and our stop loss will be approximately over here. And yes, so this trade would have given us a 0.5% profit only, more or less a break even. And if we would have entered a long position over here, then we would stop take profit over here, and our stop loss will be over here. So this trade would have given us a 1.3% profit. And once market closed below this area, then I would not really enter in this after this candle, unless the market almost retest this area, which happened almost over here. And once market retested this, then we would have entered in a selling position over here. Our stop loss will be here, and our take profit will still be in running, which will be approximately 0.9%. Okay, so now let me remove the previous day scenarios and let me mark fresh scenarios so you guys do not get confused anywhere. Okay, so now let me mark the fresh scenarios for you guys, as the fresh support areas are very critical now. So this will be a support area. The next area of support will be this area. Okay, so now let me also move this over here, and my stop loss will be exactly over here. Okay, so this arrow is now going to get converted into a red color, and this whole thing is also going to convert it into a red color. Okay, so how we are going to trade this pair? It's quite simple. If market has this area of support, then we'll buy this pair. And for example, if market as market has already tested, this is the area of short-term resistance. So if market just simply closes above this area of short-term resistance, then we will buy this pair straight away. And if we are a non-risky buyer, then we will buy this pair upon a retest. Okay, so and alternatively, if market tests this area of resistance and market closes below this area, then we will sell this pair. And similarly, if market is simply closes below our area of short-term support, then we will sell this pair. And if we are non-risky seller, then we will wait for the market to retest this area, then market to close below this area, only then we will sell this pair. Okay, so these will be the scenarios that how we can trade gold tomorrow. I hope you guys have an amazing and profitable day tomorrow. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.